Are you the best multi-cooker? Check out our top 5 picks. Whether you're looking for a slow cooker, pressure cooker, or all-in-one appliance, we've got you covered. So let's get started with the list. List number: Comfy 5.2 cubic Asian-style programmable all-in-one multi-cooker. This multi-cooker makes 11 different types of rice with its automated programmable rice cookers. It has an automatic keep warm function that keeps your food warm for up to 9 hours, which means you can use it in the middle of night and prepare healthy dinner without worry about leftovers. 10-cup uncooked 5.2 cubic capacity, yielding anywhere from 10 to 20 cups of cooked rice, designed for families, parties, or any other outdoor activities. This multi-cooker, programmable with 5 customizable cooking shape options, such as rice, porridge, super stew, steamed veggies, and more. The 11 digital cooking programs, Japanese-style rice cooker could suit eating habits like rice and noodle soup. You could make your own specialty food in one cooker without needing 5 or more different appliances. The rice cooker is user-friendly with digital LED display and sensitive touch panel, so your cooking could be set by simply pressing a button. The non-stick coating, the cleaning of the inner pot is like a breeze. List number: DeLonghi Lavenza 7-in-1 Multi-Cooker. The DeLonghi Lavenza 7-in-1 Multi-Cooker is the perfect kitchen companion for all your culinary needs. With its intuitive design and ease of use, you can cook perfectly cooked dishes in less than an hour. The precision cooking control ensures exact temp results with the 24-hour programmability at the touch of a button with illuminated temperatures and times. Sauté mode lets you cook on low heat for quick cooking. Brown and sauté steam option gives you a flavorful browned crust with added nutrients. Slow cook mode allows you to cook gently until food is ready over 6 to 8 hours, and freshness that lasts up to 1 month when stored correctly. With no need for additional pots and pans, you have only one dishwasher-safe pot to clean. With all of the multi-cooking features, this versatile kitchen appliance provides the perfect accompaniment for any one of your favorite recipes. A truly intuitive design means you can cook with confidence. 24-hour programmability at a touch of a button means less clutter in your kitchen and more convenience for your busy lifestyle. List 3. Cuisinart MSC 600 3-in-1 Cook Central 6-quart Multi-Cooker. The Cuisinart MSC 600 6-quart multi-cooker with bread features one-touch switches modes when recipe calls for combination cooking, an extra-large blue backlit LCD display with easy-to-read time and temperature settings. It has a removable 6-quart non-stick aluminum cooking pot that includes a glass lid with cool touch handle for clear view. Comfortable handling, dishwasher-safe removable parts for effortless cleanup. Steam OT 6-quart cookware includes steaming rack included. With the ability to steam rice and cook frozen food, this 6-quart oven-safe, easy-to-clean cookware provides you with a range of cooking options. Whether you need a versatile slow cooker for big batches of food or an extra-large steam rack to support more pots, this 3-in-1 multi-cooker combines it all. Use the slow cooker function to complete your favorite homemade recipe, from soups and stews to casserole dishes and chili. Boil water for steaming veggies, herbs, pasta, and more. Or stir-fry chicken, beef, or fish for a quick meal. The removable steaming rack makes it easy to prepare meals at home without the hassle. List number: Vitaclay VM7900 8 Smart Organic Multi-Cooker. The VM7900 is a 4-in-1 multi-function device. Its slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, and yogurt maker functionality enables you to cook almost any type of food. The zinc-infused white clay creates an ideal environment for cooking, keeping the food warm and inhibiting harmful bacteria growth, making it hygienic compared to its non-zinc counterparts. The VM7900 is extremely fast, at up to 4 times faster than conventional slow cooker, and even can make natural unglazed clay yogurt or yogurt cheese. This product has most features that could be expected from modern appliances, like digital display with timer and keep warm function. Chef-driven mixed cooking modes with voltage adjustability and time lock function. 8-quart ceramic-coated inner pot for even heat distribution, non-stick outside and bottom. 6 preset timer menus. Programs include beef stew in multi-cooker mode, 5-minute browning pressure cooker in multi-cooker mode, sauté mode for frying meat or fish, grains and beans, soups and stews in slow cooker and rice mode. Yogurt mode, yogurt without baking soda by adding your own starter culture. List number: KitchenAid KMC 4241SS Multi-Cooker. The KitchenAid KMC 4241SS Multi-Cooker is a 4-quart multi-purpose cooking kitchen appliance that is perfect for any quick meal or large family gathering. Its single-serve cooking capabilities include multiple steps and pre-programmed settings, which allow the user to set the duration of each step from preheat to fat rendering in order to achieve the ideal taste and texture every time. The KitchenAid Multi-Cooker cooks up to 6 different types of foods simultaneously with the 4-step cooking process: bread dough, slow cooker, frying, and braising. An even heat element allows for precise temperature control for good results every time. The dual-purpose steam basket roasting rack has a capacity of 1.3 liters and comes with a large handle to improve maneuverability and stability when cooking. A clear tempered glass lid makes monitoring the food temperature easy, while an overhanging stainless steel handle allows for easy lifting when serving.